Hello, students. Let's begin our social science class. In continuation of NCERT Geography chapter Agriculture, today's content Technological and Institutional Reforms. Introduction. Agriculture has been practiced in India for thousands of years. Sustained uses of land without compatible techno institutional changes have hindered the pace of agricultural development. Agriculture, which provides livelihood for more than 60% of its population, need some serious technical and institutional reforms. Why has India not improved in institutional reforms in agriculture? Answer. In spite of development of sources of irrigation, most of the farmers in large parts of the country is still dependent upon monsoon and natural fertility in order to carry on their agriculture. They are so poor they are not able to afford modern means. Why has India not improved in institutional reforms in agriculture? Because they are still dependent on monsoon and natural fertility. Thus, collectivization, consolidation of holdings, cooperation, and abolition of zamindari, etc., were given priority to bring about institutional reforms in the country after independence. Land reforms was the main focus of our first 5 year plan. The right of inheritance had already left to the fragmentation of land holdings. The laws of the land reforms were enacted, but the laws of the implementation was lacking or lukewarm. This is the main reason of the backwardness in the agriculture practice. What were the steps taken by government in agriculture reform? This is 5 mark question. What were the steps taken by government in agricultural reforms? The government of India embarked upon introducing agricultural reforms to improve Indian agricultural in 1960 and 70. This we have discussed in 9th class also, as the time initiated by the government in the modern farming practice include green revolution and white revolution. The green revolution based on the uses of package technology, and the white revolution operation flood for some of the strategies initiated to improve the lot of Indian agriculture. But this too led to the concentration of development in few selected area. Therefore, in the 1980 and 1990s, a comprehensive land development program was initiated which included both institutional and technical reforms. So when we ask the question, what were the steps taken by government in agricultural reforms, it include green and white revolution, but it is limited in certain areas. So more comprehensive development program initiated by government. And what are these program? Please see the answer. The first, provision of crop insurance against drought, flood, cyclone, fire and disease. Establishment of Grameen Bank, cooperative societies, and banks for providing loan facilities to the farmers at lower rate of interest. This is second point. Third, Kisan Credit Card, KCC, Personal Accident Insurance Scheme, PAIS, some other schemes introduced by Government of India for the benefit of the farmers. Special weather bulletins and agricultural program for farmers were introduced on the radio and television. The government also announces minimum support price, remunerative and procurement prices for important crops to check the exploitation of the farmers by speculators and middlemen. These 5 points answer of what were the main steps taken by government to improve the agriculture or to bring agricultural reforms. These are the picture to show the crop insurance as well as the Kisan credit card, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.